everyone, and welcome back to Nutrinova TV. What's the ultimate fall food? Could it be pumpkin, or is there something even better? Let's find out. Fall is finally here, and that means it's time to talk about the best foods of the season. From pumpkins to corn, let's rank the top fall foods in our ultimate tier list, from S tier, the absolute best, all the way down to the lower tiers for foods that might not be as impressive. We'll be looking at factors like nutrition, taste, and how versatile they are in fall recipes. And here's the big question: is pumpkin really S tier? Watch this video to find out. F tier, sweet corn. Let's start with the last F tier fall food, sweet corn. Now, don't get me wrong, corn has its place in fall traditions, from family dinners to holiday feasts. But when it comes to nutrition, sweet corn falls short, especially when compared to other autumnal superstars. Why? For starters, sweet corn is relatively low in vitamins and minerals, especially when it's slathered in butter or topped with sugar. Sure, it's delicious, but it's more of a guilty pleasure than a nutrient-packed fall staple. Plus, many times, it's served in processed forms, like canned or creamed, which further reduces its nutritional value. So, while it might be fun to have on your plate, sweet corn is really just empty calories disguised as a fall favorite. It's tasty, no doubt, but nutritionally, it's just not cutting it. But don't worry, we've got some true fall powerhouses coming up as we climb the tier list. E tier, persimmons. Next up in the E tier are persimmons. Now, nutritionally speaking, persimmons are actually quite solid. They're a good source of fiber, vitamins A and C, and antioxidants. But here's the issue: they're tough to incorporate into many fall recipes. Sure, you can enjoy a persimmon on its own. It's sweet, juicy, and satisfying, but it doesn't easily fit into the cozy, comforting dishes we associate with fall. Unlike some other fall foods, persimmons don't mix well in pies, soups, or even salads, which limits their appeal. So, while they make for a nice snack on their own, their lack of versatility is why they're sitting in the E tier. D tier, beets. Nutritionally, beets could very well be the winners of the fall tier list. Who knows? They're packed with fiber, folate, and essential minerals like potassium and manganese. Plus, they contain nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Sounds like a superfood, right? But here's where they fall short: the taste. Let's be honest, beets have a very strong, earthy flavor that doesn't appeal to everyone. You either love them or hate them, and that limits their popularity, especially when it comes to fall comfort foods. Even though they're great for your health, their polarizing taste keeps them in the D tier. However, if you're one of those who actually enjoys the taste of beets, then this tier list jumps up for you. Beets could easily rank in the A tier for their exceptional nutrition. But for everyone else, they stay, unfortunately, in the D tier. C tier, chestnuts. Moving up to the C tier, chestnuts. Now, chestnuts are a classic fall favorite, especially when roasted on a chilly autumn day. Nutritionally, they offer a decent amount of fiber, some vitamins like C and B6, and are relatively low in fat compared to other nuts. But while they have some health benefits, they're not exactly a nutritional powerhouse. The main drawback with chestnuts is that they're often eaten in smaller quantities and aren't as versatile in recipes as other fall foods. They're tasty on their own or in some festive dishes, but their use is pretty limited. which is why they land in the C tier. That being said, what really boosts their position is the unbeatable autumn vibe they create. If you love the nostalgic feeling of roasted chestnuts in the fall, they might rank a little higher for you. B tier, pomegranates. These vibrant, jewel-like seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially punicolagens and anthocyanins, which boast impressive anti-inflammatory and heart-protective properties. Plus, since their high antioxidant content is linked to reduced oxidative stress, pomegranates also have anti-aging benefits and promote cellular regeneration. And it's not over. Pomegranates are also rich in vitamin C, making them a must-have addition to your fall diet during the starting flu season. Now, nutritionally speaking, pomegranates could easily take the crown in the S tier. Their antioxidants are unbeatable. But unfortunately, it takes more than just nutrition to reach the top of the list. Well, while they're healthy, pomegranates can be a bit tricky to work with. Extracting the seeds takes time and can be messy, which can put people off from using them more often. They don't have the same versatility in the kitchen compared to other fall staples. You'll mostly see them in salads, smoothies, or as a garnish. Despite their health benefits, these factors keep them from climbing higher on the tier list. A tier, kale. Let's talk about kale, landing solidly in the A tier. Kale is often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, along with a lot of fiber. This leafy green isn't just nutrient-dense, it also offers significant benefits for heart health, thanks to its ability to lower cholesterol levels. Kale's versatility is another reason it ranks so high. It's fantastic in salads as a side dish, in smoothies as a colorful base for an energizing breakfast, and can even be baked into chips for a healthy, crispy snack, making it the perfect fall treat. This last tip, combined with its low-calorie content, makes kale a great choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet, lose weight, or indulge in an extra treat without the guilt. Its slightly bitter taste pairs well with a wide range of flavors, making it a standout ingredient in both raw and cooked dishes. For those who appreciate its unique taste and nutritional profile, kale is a true A-tier champion. S-tier, pumpkin. And finally, we reach the S-tier, pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin is the ultimate fall food, and here's why. Not only is it rich in fiber and microelements, but it also has a very high concentration of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts into vitamin A in the body, supporting your immune system. The impressive amount of beta-carotene really makes pumpkin stand out as a nutritional powerhouse. Another feature that truly elevates pumpkin to S tier is its incredible versatility. It fits seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. From pies and soups to lattes and even risottos, pumpkin is the perfect fall ingredient. Colorful and low in calories, it can be used in a variety of healthy recipes. So, is pumpkin really S tier? Absolutely. As we know, it's not just its nutrition and versatility that make it excellent, but pumpkin is also the symbol of the season. It's the first thing that comes to mind when we think of autumn, an iconic representation of fall. Pumpkin truly deserves the top of the fall foods tier list. And that wraps up our fall foods tier list. We've gone through the best and the not-so-great foods of the season, with pumpkin reigning supreme in the S tier. But now it's your turn. Would you rank these foods differently? What other fall favorites would you add to the list? Maybe mushrooms or apples. Where do you think they'd fall in the tier ranking? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button and subscribe for more on nutrition and healthy living. Check out our recommended videos for more great content. Stay healthy with us, and remember, Nutrinova TV, the new age of nutrition, is now.